Probably, yeah. What is it?
Mrs. Chu sent over some lunch, but I haven't paid yet. Can you take this back to the restaurant?
All right.
You might want to hurry. I heard dog guys are sending reinforcements. We should probably leave them off before they get here.
Hey, sexy man, you want new clothes? Why don't you let me dress you?
Hey, CDs, all the best CDs here. 香港最靚嘅，一十呢度 best in Hong Kong. The new guy around.
Oh, I'm getting closer. Oh, that's the restaurant. Okay. Oh my goodness, there's still more?
This is for Susan's lunch.
Thanks.
Are you shitting me? So what'd you do?
Nothing. Say乜都冇. I came straight to you. Didn't want to start anything major, but without you knowing, you know?
So get this.
Oops. I just... Yeah, I have to go down.
Hey, you want clothes? I see, right here. Come on, let me show you around.
I'm looking for Ming. You know where he's at?
Yeah, he just passed the food stand around the corner.
I need to eat something.
So you got a sale.
Please come again.
You make it up for me tonight. We got a deal.
Huh? 我真係要咁做?
Ming, I got a message for you. Stop!
What's going on?
Hey, Winston, asshole.
Fuck you!
Wow, running, running, running.
Out of my way! Oh, shit!
Wow, that's nice. He didn't break his back. Come on.
Guys, I need your help! 你一定會後悔。等我話你知咩叫眼前一黑啊！咁喐我一條毛，好似你即刻冇命。知唔知我呢對鞋有咩特別啊？踢屎忽鬼㗎！我今日你搞錯咗。
Oh, that was easy. That was easy.
It's one of Winston's guys! Take him out! 屌你老母臭閪啊 ！Fuck you up! You fucking with the wrong crowd! 咁喐我一條毛，我保證你即刻冇命！頭！我等成個禮拜，我等呢個嘢啊！
Oh. Oh. Damn it. Oh. I lost. Okay. Uh-oh. Damn it! Damn it, I'm gonna lose big time. Okay, I think I'm done. I fight it well with those guys. Damn it!
Dog Eye's gonna kill you. Fuck Dog Eyes. Winston owns this area. You fuck with us, and you'll regret it.
Okay, okay. But please, make sure Dog Eyes doesn't kill me.
Fuck.
Now he's getting arrested, supposedly speaking.
Wei Sheng, I'm Inspector Tang. You have quite a rap sheet here. Multiple arrests in San Francisco, alleged ties to organized crime, and now you're here, enforcing for the Sun On Yi. You know, you don't have to throw your life away like this.
Your concern's really moving. Yeah, I appreciate that. I'm suddenly realizing I should have never dropped out of art school. I could have made it. I could have been a real somebody. Thank you for showing me the light, officer.
I want to give you a chance, Shen, but you have to work with me. Then maybe I can cut you a deal. Oh, Superintendent, I'm in the middle of an interrogation.
Inspector, there's been a misunderstanding.
Misunderstanding, sir?
As your superior officer, I'm instructing you to release this man.
But, sir, I have it on record that he's Sun On Yi.
I understand that.
I can't simply just cut him loose. I mean, you're asking me to release a criminal with known connections to the Triad, and not only is it against protocol...
For God's sake, Tang, he's one of us.
What?
Jesus, Pendrew, let me get the door. There are a few badges outside who didn't hear you.
It's all right, Wei. We can trust her.
Trust her? I just met her.
Congratulations, Tang, so now you know. Maybe now we can make sure that we're helping Wei, not making his job harder than it already is, hmm?
Yeah, it doesn't seem like I have much of a choice.
No, you don't. Now see yourself out.
Permission to speak freely.
Denied. You need to be more careful, Wei. Much more careful. I can't bail you out like this again.
Sir,
I don't want to hear it. Just be careful.
Great. Now he got arrested. Now everybody knows that he's a cop. Now, I don't know what else. This is getting interesting. And I think I'm gonna go to bed. Oh, I got an apartment?
Wei.
Awesome.
Oh. Hello.
American gangs and Asian ones don't compare to the Triads.
I don't like this cocky little fucker.
You need to be more careful, Wei. Much more careful.
Wow, what a nice apartment.
Keep it together.
And I think that's the shower. Oh my goodness. Oh, that is awesome. Okay. That's the map. Oh my god, I thought it was going to be a little bit bigger than that. That is like the size of Saints Row. I mean the first part of Saints Row. Oh my. Okay. Oh, the map is small. I thought the map was going to be like, oh, it's going to be big or something like that, but no. Air condition.
What? How much? No, I'm not paying that. Then the water still has to be cold.
Rosa told me that the
Oh.
between Winston and Dog Eyes are heating up.
Always the same. Big feud. One kills the other. Then a new feud starts.
They're both killed? Then maybe we'll stop having to pay protection money.
Cut off a worm's head, another one will grow back.
You have a car in here? Here.
Okay. I just hope I don't have any glitch or anything like that because. Okay, I think I'm in a glitch. my God. I don't know. I got used to driving in this lane, and now I have to drive this other lane. That's crazy. Okay. Oops. I have to go to this direction. What is this thing?
Come on, we'll get you some tea. Much better. Can I help you? I have some wonderful herbal tea. Would you like some tea? It has.
All right, I'll take it.
You should notice the effects right away. Tea, sir? It really is most impressive.
She got some tea. And I got some tea. Can I steal a car? Is that possible I can steal a car? Oh! Wait a minute. I have to go to the other side. Let me see. Oh my God, no, this is expensive. You don't want to do exercise. You know you can do it. I lost my car. I mean my motorbike. Okay, I got the first one, first collectible.
Just go inside and ask for a hand job. What's the big deal?
Okay, I think I'm gonna go now. Don't forget to subscribe on Twitch. It's under OnlyJimmy1973. And I think I'm gonna continue playing this game tomorrow and see how it is going.
Duck over here! No.
So don't forget to subscribe and also forget to follow me on Twitch. Okay, there you go.
What's going on?
So anyway, thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Or have a nice night, everybody. See you later. Bye.